Be kind to them. If you are kind to people, they have mistake and they might see you. Just think about be kind to them. Usoba inkosi yabo bazokulandela bazokulandela bazokhothamela. If ever you are kind, listen to me, if ever you are kind, abanye abalandela because they are not kind. You are not kind to anyone. You are not kind, you are not open, you are not good to anyone. People they are looking for someone who is kind. It's a demon. Sometimes usola wenza iprayer item thandaza ngezinto ezisolisayo uqala impendulo uNkulunkulu ngezinto ezisolisayo ngoba sizele umsebenzi sisolisa sinjalo. Other people bathola ukuya kwenye level ngalezinto uNkulunkulu uyasivumela ezinye izinto ukuthi abanye abantu bafunde bakhule. Wena unamahlamehla amade uhlala usola nje namhla shayenza Mzele make mfundisi uteke foya tingoma ingasiteka leyiwe shayinjalo. Wena ubona umdlalo ukuthi athathe le 4 years ingoma, you don't know the spirit in him in her enze uthathe 4 years ingoma but so uyahlasela wena uyadubula shayinjalo. Mina wena uthi miyelele angitiki niyiwe abaqabeke. Ndizwe kahle wena mfundi, ndizwe kahle sihlobo sami, izinto ziyokhamba uthulile wena bese uNkulunkulu abe phezu kwakho ashaya. Because you are not spiritual alert. Sola every day, every time when ubheka izinto uyasola awuyikho ibongayo. Ngiyaceda manje Nkosi yami ngenxa yakho ushumele echayile lesikhathi leso. Ngoba wena ukhona la usazi uthatha any advice ulahlekelwa izihlobo zakho ngoba advice wrong, abangani bakho baka advice wrong. Nomntu uhlezi njengembuzi kwangathi inhloko embuzi bayipheke nezimpondo. Hleli nje uhlahla amehlo ulahlekelwe ngoba uphila. Mama le pressure yakho lesimo sakho sanze ubofake ezintweni. Abanye noma bangafaka iperfume izwakala lezinto ababaleke zona. Si-overpower iperfume imnandi usasuka ekhaya ithi mnandi uhamba lendlela ufike la esontweni bese yehla ngoba lokho ama-perfume akufani. Kunaloku yi-perfume for a short time, kunukele kamnandi but for a short time. Kunalawo ama-perfume lawa adurayo ayabiza la ahlala isikhathi eside. Wena uhekile into ofala iperfume for uyofumfa uma sifika la siyagida siyona le iperfume yabaleka sekuvuka lento yakho ifakile. Uma advise unika isiluleko sama uma usebenzisa izinto hamba ufuna iperfume original oil hayi lento ofaka yona. Siyasithukela uma bathandaza abangeke that's okay. Abanye vele bezothi bathandaza labafake namafutha egesi and akasu electricity yena. And then these young people, like these old people, they advise these young people. You know, if they want them to favor you, be kind to them. I don't find out what I don't want to. But I'm not going to find my advice something like about food. You know, I'm going to pay and my advice. You're back to the bar. I'm going to tell about passing. I'm going to tell about my advice at all. Hallelujah. So look for ewe uma ufuna ukuthula unomfazi lalela mfazi wakho hlala yekela kunzima ugcwala isitara uma umfazi wakho ngithi sowundini yakho ukuthi hayi sowuni manje bengithi ngilungisisa imoto noma bengenzani uhlala uzoba nothuli